How to share an Excel document to Google Drive directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share a Microsoft Excel document to your Google Drive. Easy. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Excel app, choose the document that you want. For example, I'm going to choose this one, click on it, and now go to the top here and click on this little option. After you click on it, it will take you here. Now choose share as attachment option and choose the first option if you want to share it as an Excel. Click on it and here you go. Now right here you will find many options and here is the drive option. All what you have to do is click on it and it will be shared directly. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.